Good morning. Today is Sunday, April 7th, and today is another day of our Tin Can Chronicles. So we have cleaned out this room, thrown away the carpet. We have the plumber here. We're putting together the second bathroom. Let's see what we got going on here.
Cool.
What are you working on today, babe?
I think I'm gonna continue doing more flooring.
Yay!
You
Want me to start moving stuff this way?
maybe move it out here.
Okay. In our nice clean room.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, but I'd rather get the sawdust in there. It's easy to.
Sweep out.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can cut that wire too.
Cut it?
The cable wire.
Okay. We have most of the floor in, the secondary floor. Just missing a few spots. My honey's been working hard on getting the floor put in. We had the plumber come out. And we have the start of a second bathroom. We pretty much worked all day on it underneath our tin can. And we got some vapor barrier put up yesterday. We can't get animals into the little holes that we still have left. Been beating in the nails and the wood so we can put our walls in.
I got most of the flooring in out here, secondary flooring. Plumber says one more day, Saturday, and the bathroom will be done.
Yay!
I got to build a little wall in front of the shower. And put up the drywall.
Yay!
Take out the window.
Yes. Take out most of the little awful windows in here.
Yeah.
That window looks like it's still open.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Alright, say goodbye to all your friends.
Goodbye, all my friends.
Goodbye, friends.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to the
Like our
Tin
videos.
Can Chronicle channel.
Oh.
Not chronic, chronicle.
Tin Can Confessions.
Life in a matchbox.
Trail of Troubled Times.
Our box before the box.
Oh boy.